Hey there. So this is my TyperActive Corne wireless keyboard. They just released a new aluminum case, so I'm excited to open that up. But first, I figured I'd do a sound test on the current case that it's in. It's just a very cheap plastic. These magnetic rings I use for tenting, which I'm messing with for the first time. I've never done tenting before, so I have them going onto these magnetic phone mounts. I have two different colors because I wasn't sure which color I wanted to keep. I'm gonna figure that out after. Anyways, what I really wanted to do was just kind of get a sound test on how it sounds in the plastic case and to see if moving to an aluminum case makes any significant difference. Personally, when it comes to chalk style keyboards, it's kind of hit or miss for me. There'll be times where I love using this keyboard. I feel like very efficient, very fast, and other times I'm just very bored of it. Anyways, let's give this a shot. Let me do a quick typing test and I'll get things ready. All right, that's it. And again, this is the Corne wireless keyboard. It's using the Sunset Tactiles, which is more of a tactile guy myself nowadays. Let me show off these mounts really quick for tenting. Let's see. They're pretty neat. I'm undecided whether I'm going to keep them or not. I've never been one for tenting. Tenting is new to me, but it didn't take very long for me to get used to the tenting itself. So let's do one more typing test and we'll go from there. I think my current speed is slower than when I'm not tented. Cool. All right. As for the magnetic stands, they're nice. One complaint so far is that, and maybe it's because I just didn't have the patience for it. Let me fix my mic real quick. One complaint I do have is, again, I just don't think I waited the proper amount of time. I stuck these on, waited 15 minutes, put it on the mount, and the magnet kept sticking to there. I guess the adhesive wasn't strong enough to stay on here as opposed to going on there. In fact, I can probably do it right now. I just take it off. All right, well, whatever. Cool. All right, well, that's the keyboard as it is right now. Here's the new case that came in. I'm super stoked, at least one of the sides. This is aluminum, which is very nice. My biggest complaint about this keyboard is how cheap it felt. So I've been wanting a more premium case for it. I was gonna go through Boardsource for one of their keyboards. The only downside is the way their keyboards are set is they're wired only, and I don't know. It was just gonna be a big hassle. I thought I could initially thought I could transfer the internals from this to that, but unfortunately this is chalk spaced, and their keyboards, even though they're chalk switches and chalk keycaps, they're MX spaced. So this PCB would be too small for one of their cases. So we'll see. I was kind of hoping it would be all aluminum, but you know, it does have a frosted like plastic backing. So I don't know. Will it improve the sound? Who knows? As long as it feels better, I'm stoked. Cool. All right, I got half of one done. So let's take a quick peek. What do you think? I got the acrylic glass versus the cutout. I think it actually looks much better. We have buttons on there. Those were a pain in the butt to put on, I swear to God. Again, I'm not a big fan of the frosted back. I wish it had been an all aluminum construction, but it is what it is. I wonder if that probably would have interfered with, I don't know, actually. Maybe it's a Bluetooth concern. All right, let's do a quick sound test on what they sound like now. And let me know what you think. So here's the old one. All right, let's move on and build the other one. All right, plate's gotta go. No plate. So I'm gonna tighten this guy so it's not wobbly anymore. Just gonna hold it back. Tighten it. My knife views are the no solder knife views, so they kind of pop off sometimes. I think at this point I would probably recommend not getting the no solder ones. They've been kind of a nuisance, I'm being honest. Also, I'm pretty sure the PE foam does nothing. I'm more installing it out of a habit. All right, after reading the instructions again and doing it once, I'm hoping this time it's going to be a little easier. All right, so this guy is going to be inserted with a small side facing the USB-C, so it's going to go up like this, small side up. You're going to insert it from the inside. Pretty sure it goes in this way. There we go. Cool. All right, now you're going to put in both of these. This is the on and off switch. This one can go in any orientation. Still tricky together. There we go. Now this one is the son of a bitch that gave me the most trouble. This guy is going to go in with the little lip, focus, facing the table. See the little lip? That is going to face the table, so you're going to insert it. Oh, I hate this part. This is optional, by the way, but I like it. There we go. You got it. Cool. All right, so the confusing part was whenever I'd kind of like try to use them, they'd get really loose and just fall out. And so all you have to do, well, I should make sure these holes are ready first. All you have to do is, once they're in and the PCB's in, once it's screwed tight, they won't fall out anymore. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. All right, hold on. Again, PE foam on a chalk keyboard, probably pointless. More of a hazard than anything. Oh, I don't have tape on this one. Oh well. I guess we'll see if we hear any difference. Oh, the battery. There we go. Alright, very nice. Shoot. Alright. At least it was the easy one that fell out, not the difficult one. There we go. Alright, let's put it back in. Alright, let's plug in. Oh yeah, that's where the battery was. We got it. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. See how that button's already recessed? That's not good. Oh, crap. What's going on? Shit. God damn it. Alright. Let's try it again. Looking good. That's still recessed. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Alright. Let's try this again. There we go. I think we got it. Oh, pain in the ass. All right, let's start tightening these guys down. So this is protruding a bit. Maybe not. Oops. All right, sure hope we got it, because, oh, God, that was annoying. One more. All right, see how we did. Come on. Come on. Yeah, all right, the button works. Sweet. Cool. We got the sumbitches in. Hate those guys. All right. And those are nice and tight. All right, it's going to be easy selling from here. Switch time. Very nice. All right, now to add our keycaps, and that's a wrap. I don't know why, but I bought so many extra thumb caps accidentally. row, and my concave mod keys. All right, that does it. Oh, no, I lied. Set one of these. I don't like this software. Oh, I know this is to protect the screen from scratches because acrylic scratches very easily, but god damn it, I fucking hate this. Yes, too. There we go. I wonder how fast this is going to scratch up at home. Or on the commute from work. There's no way I'm not going to use the Phillips screw in this. All right. There it is. What do we think? It looks nice. Feels nice. Let's do a quick typing test and then we'll close it out. I still have the feet to apply, but I'll do that later. It's not important. And I'm probably also going to add the little ring so I can have them on these little tenting phone mounts if I decide to keep them. But for now, sorry, this table's really wobbly. This is my first time using keycaps without legends too. Boom. All right, that's it. Hope you liked it. I'm digging the new look. Again, not the keenest on this frosted back. And that extra weight from it being all aluminum probably would have been welcome as well. I think when I weighed the old case with all the stuff inside with the new one, I think it was about a 60-gram difference. I wish I had written it down, but it is what it is. There we go, guys. Good stuff.